Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Starlink app to check coverage. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to check coverage, what you need to do first is install Starlink app. To do it, simply head over and open up your app store, and then on the search bar simply type in Starlink. What you need to do is just simply tap on the app and then tap on the get button to simply download the app. Now once you have downloaded and installed the official app, what you need to do is simply open up the app and then sign in with your Starlink account by tapping on the top right corner of your screen, then tapping on sign in and sign in with your account. And once signed in, on the home screen, there's an option that says find install location or check for obstructions. And then this tool uses your iPhone GPS compass and camera to access sky view. Then all you gotta do is then select your kit and then tap on confirm, and here tap on ready and point your camera at the top, and then that will prompt you to point your camera around the sky to collect clear viewpoints. Move your phone slowly around the horizon. Green dots usually indicate good clear sky, while blocked or red zones show obstructions like trees or buildings. After scanning, the app gives you feedback on how to unobstruct your chosen spot. If there are obstructions, choose another nearby location with more open sky, and once your dish is installed and connected, the app's main dashboard, often labeled as online or status, shows where your Starlink connection is active. After the setup, the app also includes a Wi-Fi coverage tester or range tool that lets you walk around the home to map a Wi-Fi strength inside your house. So these are the most steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.